Hello Google, this is Jahin Tasnia from Bangladesh. Delighted to participate at Google AI Hackathon 2024 with our project Dreamjob.AI. Dreamjob.AI is an intelligent career development platform designed to equip job seekers with the tools and insights needed to succeed in today's competitive job market. Leveraging cutting-edge AI and machine learning technologies, our mission is to empower individuals at every stage of their career journey, from students and recent graduates to seasoned professionals, by providing tailored guidance and support to enhance their job prospects and achieve their dream careers. According to the International Labour Organization, the global unemployment rate in 2023 was 5.1%. Students, professionals fail to find their job due to ineffective search, as well as due to so many submission of CV recruiter don't get enough time to find out best candidate. Leveraging those problems, we bring Dreamjob.AI. We have both web-based and mobile application. The features we will provide: resume evaluation, job preparation, interview simulator, resume builder, cover letter generator, recruiter email, and career suggestion. Our target users are students or freshers or interns, job seekers, career changers, entrepreneurs and business owners, professionals, and recruiter or hiring manager. We used most powerful tool Gemini along with Python. Streamlit for host our web application and app design used Figma. In our team, myself work as front-end and my another team member work for AI and backend. Make this product as service, we designed our business model where we collaborate with industry as well as will generate our revenue with subscription plans. We now have 3 starter plans: Starter, Premium, and Super Pro. Dreamjob.ai seeks to enable people all over the world to successfully navigate the labor market with competence and confidence, resulting in a workforce that is more trained and equipped. Thank you, Google, for making an amazing innovation Gemini. Thank you.